So now it's time to create the setter and getter for the speed. So similar to what we did here, I'm gonna here say def and then set speed, and then I'm gonna pass self and then dot speed, and then I'm gonna say self dot speed is gonna be equal to the speed. And then for the getter, I'm gonna say def get speed, and then I'm gonna say self, don't forget the self, and then I'm gonna return, what I'm gonna return is that I'm gonna return self dot speed. Now let's set the speed and the color. So here, after we created the object, what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna print the default values first, and then I'm gonna change these default values. So I'm gonna say here Mercedes dot set color. So I'm gonna change the color from the default color is black, and the default speed is 50. So the default color is black. I'm gonna change it from black to blue, and then I'm gonna also change Mercedes dot set speed to a different speed. I'm gonna say 100. Now let me print these. Let me get these and print these. So I'm gonna say here print, and then Mercedes, and then dot get color, and then print Mercedes dot get speed. Let me now save and run my script. So I'm gonna here click on view and then terminal, and guess what? Now initially we are gonna get the default values, first Mercedes and then black and 50 and then blue and 100. So the default values were black and 50, and then I changed them using the setters and getters by using the set color and set speed, and then I got the color and then I got the speed. So this is how you can use the getters and setters and how you can change values and values of your properties.